let me set a context for the audience sitting here. Pakistan and India, we find ourselves in a neighborhood which is very unique, and we all understand that. We are two nuclear-armed rival nations. There have been nuclear-armed rivals, and the nuclear theory has been expounded starting from 50s till kingdom come, very deliberately. But this is a special case where the reaction times are not in minutes, they are in seconds. So that's very special to South Asia, and that's particular only to South Asia. We have seen since the so-called Operation Prabhakaram, Indians trying to create the notion of, again, so-called space for war under the nuclear overhang, because they thought that in all-out war, it will be difficult to achieve their political objectives, politico-military objectives also, and military objectives also. So the quest of finding that space for war brought Indian strategic thinking, where non-contact warfare was thought to be the panacea for the problem, the solution for the space for war. And I'll share a very interesting thing with you. The mission that my army has, given by the government of Pakistan, I'll share the first two words of that mission. And they say, deter war. The primary mission of the Pakistan military is to deter war. And should it happen, then we'll do what we have done always. And we did it last May 25, last year, for everybody to watch. Rocket Force
火箭军的目的呢